The next question is the repairs, the condition of the house. So I would ask, the first question I would ask is, what condition is the property in? They're going to say, well, it's in fair condition, it's in great condition, it's in poor condition. I'll ask, okay, when was the last time the roof was replaced? They may say, well, we replaced the roof 9 years. How about the windows? Well, we replaced the windows when we purchased the property in 1997. How about the kitchen and the bathroom? When was the last time the kitchen and bathroom were updated? How about the mechanicals in the house? The heating and air conditioning system, the electrical system, the plumbing. When was that updated? Also, when you updated the mechanicals, were any permits pulled? Okay?